Hey guys, I've just been playing around with the Explain Everything app for the iPad, and I'm quite impressed so far. It's pretty cool actually, and got good functionality, so I'm just going to show you some of the functionality in this very short example. So obviously you can write on it, so I'm going to put what's on my mind as we speak. Food, because I'm hungry, it's late. I can change obviously the colour of that as well to different things. Another thing that's on my mind is Russia, and you'll see why in a minute. It's quite difficult to write, you know, with to get the writing looking decent. It's kind of cool for numbers and stuff. It's, you know, sort of rough work. But luckily you can also type as well, and you can change the fonts and so on. So I'm going to go for kind of Arial font, and I'm going to put it quite small. Okay, and if I tap on the screen now, I'm going to put that German. Obviously that was a bit small, I could have made that a bit bigger, but there you go. So food, Russian, German. What's the connection? Well, I'm going to add a picture now and we'll find out. So I'm going to add a picture from my iPad camera roll, and here it is. There it is. Right, so this is some German food I had when I was in Russia recently. It was amazing. A meat feast, as you can see. So I jig stuff around. And there you go, right? So you can bring in media and kind of play around with it. You can also bring in videos, actually, which is cool, and other documents from your Google Drive, Evernote, and various other places. I've tried that and it's quite easy, it seems. Also, even better, check this out, you can take a picture on the fly. So it has this option where it says basically new picture or new video. So I can just take a new picture now on my iPad of my computer. Right, and use, and there you go. So I can edit the image, by the way, if I wanted to crop it or something. I could have done that as well. And I'll just put it there out of the way of my computer. And also you can take videos. Don't know if I've got anything good to video now, but I could do new video and actually take a video now from my iPad screen. So I'll just kind of do some movement so we can see. Hello, it's my water. Stop that. And as you can see, the video then gets embedded into the canvas as well, and you can play it. So hopefully you'll be able to see that video on this video. Really, really cool. A little option to do things sort of on the fly. What else? Obviously you can delete things as you go along. It's also got this little kind of what are these things called? You know, they're used for presentations sometimes, to highlight stuff. There isn't a highlighter though, by the way, from what I can see, which is a bit annoying. You can bring stuff to the front and backwards and all that kind of stuff. So I just did that there, which is cool. You can undo, and crucially you can do this. You can zoom, therefore pinch stuff. So I finished with that lesson, and now I've just created a new canvas space to continue the lesson and you know, do whatever I want on here. By the way, you can also go to different slides. At the bottom it's got a slide sorter, so that's slide 1, and then I could have obviously add another slide as well. And basically, yeah, you can export it all to YouTube. So I'm going to export this now to YouTube, and hopefully if it's successful you'll be able to watch this video. So that's pretty much it. Then you can export things also to YouTube and so on. So once you know, you could create sort of a whole sequence of things really, which is quite cool.